Hello, we are here in Photoshop, so let's create the different designs there. We will have that one. Use the paint bucket tool there. So then I will create the further eraser tool. Make a selection around that. Change the color of it. Use the paint bucket tool into the selected part as well. Deselect here and make the further selection. Apply the gradient to it. So there we have